This is a video presentation of the Haas VF-3. It does come with a filter mist, the Royal FX600. Got the spindle warming up. Well, we already had it warmed up. We got at 4,500 RPMs right now. We'll go ahead and increase. And we'll back it back down. Next, what we're going to do is tool change. Go ahead and do it again. All right. Got the P-cool up and down. The chip auger running. Next, what we'll go ahead and do is run the X, Y, and Z. I'm just going to do that handle jog so I can speed it up a little bit. You can do the Y axis. And the Z axis. Tool release. Go ahead and take a walk around. Keypad looks like it's brand new. This machine's in really nice condition. It's got the floppy. It does have the 4th axis ready. We'll go ahead and read off the serial number 12695, manufactured 12 and 97. Here is the coolant pan with the shipping bracket, chip chute. We also have the foot pads, the leveling pads, excuse me. We also have the manual that they've put right there on the front. This concludes the video presentation of the 1997 Haas VF-3.